Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing money pouring in while you slept. No, this isn't some sketchy get-rich-quick scheme. It's how the rich play the game. Here's the craziest part. The rich aren't working harder than you. They just understand the psychology of money better. What if your money could multiply on its own, creating wealth while you do nothing? The hidden playbook that lets your money multiply on its own. Are you going to settle for living paycheck to paycheck, pin all your hopes on a miracle, or are you ready to take control of your financial independence? What if I told you there are 4 hidden shortcuts to making a self-sustaining wealth machine that grows even when you're not looking? Skip this video at your own risk, because once you see these, you'll never look at money the same way again. Stick around because shortcut 3 is the most misunderstood money trick. The wealthy use it to multiply their fortunes, but most people fear it. Ignore this, and you might overlook a wealth-building hack that could change your financial future forever. Ever heard the phrase, if you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you'll work until you die? That's not a metaphor, it's the brutal reality. Here's the secret, your money should make money. The wealthy don't just save, they put their money to work. For example, in 2004, $500 invested into Amazon stock will be worth above $400,000 by early 2025. What happened? The money compounded through stock value. Here's what most people miss. It's not just about investing, it's about automating. Set up automatic investments in index funds or high-growth assets. Reinvest dividends. Let the snowball roll. The earlier you start, the less money you need to invest to hit $1 million. People think they need huge capital to get rich, but the real shortcut? Start early, automate, and let time do the heavy lifting. Compound interest will be on your side. If you've made it this far, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more awesome content. Here's a scary thought. If your only source of income disappeared tomorrow, what happens? The rich don't take that risk. They build multiple income streams. Think about it. Jeff Bezos doesn't just have Amazon. He owns Whole Foods, Twitch, Blue Origin. Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, The Boring Company. Ratan Tata, from cars to steel, software to airlines, his empire was built on diverse revenue streams. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a billionaire to do this. Look for hidden opportunities. Start a simple online business, like low-cost newsletters, courses, or digital products. Go for dividend-paying stocks. Here your investments pay you. Explore good real estate or rental income. For example, Sarah, a regular 9-to-5 worker, started selling Notion templates as a side hustle. Now she makes an additional $50,000 per year. Most people rely on one income source. Big mistake. The shortcut? Build 2 to 3 streams and never depend on just one. At the end of this video, I'll reveal a game-changing strategy that can set you on the path to true financial freedom. This powerful approach ties directly into the shortcuts we're uncovering. Debt. The word itself scares people, but what if I told you, debt could be your secret weapon? Here's the truth. Bad debt makes you poor. Good debt makes you rich. Bad debt fall into credit cards trap, car loans, anything that loses value. Good debt are real estate loans, business funding, anything that makes more money than it costs. For example, meet Tom. He took a $100,000 loan to buy an Airbnb property. His monthly loan payment, $700. His rental income, $2,200. He's making money, using someone else's money. Meet Priya. She took out a $50,000 loan to launch an online store selling eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. Within a year, her store generated over $60,000 in profit, covering the loan and providing extra capital for reinvestment. With that boost, she expanded her marketing and product line, scaling her business without additional upfront costs. That's the game. The rich don't fear debt, they use it to scale. But here's the catch, only borrow if it grows your cash flow. The final shortcut, stop playing safe and start spotting hidden opportunities. Most people wait for obvious investments, but the rich, they get in before everyone else. Look for pre-IPO deals and secondary market shares. Buying shares before a company goes public can 10x your money. Look for undervalued digital assets. Small websites, newsletters, or even online courses can be acquired cheap and turned into cash machines. Here's how the cash flow snowball works. Find a small, undervalued asset, website, blog, newsletter, etc. Buy it cheap, some make money but are poorly managed. Optimize it, add ads, memberships, affiliate marketing. Let the cash flow build, then buy more assets with that income. For example, a guy named Alex bought a tiny $2,000 newsletter with 1,500 subscribers. He added sponsorships and memberships. Now it makes $2,500 per month. One standout example is from Flipkart. An early angel investor in Flipkart put in about 5 lakh rupees. When Walmart acquired Flipkart in 2018 for around $16 billion, that stake jumped to over 5 crore rupees, proving that a modest early investment in a high-growth company can yield multi-crore returns. Most people never look for these deals, but those who do, they print money. As promised earlier for sticking with me, here's the game-changing strategy. Start building passive income streams. It's the ultimate wealth hack. Your goal is simple. Grow your passive income until it becomes multiple times of your regular income. Then you're truly free. Whether it's dividends, rentals, or digital ventures, let your money work for you around the clock. Now you have the $1 million shortcuts, your blueprint to unlocking true financial freedom. The question is, will you take action? It's not about how smart or educated you are. It's about who starts taking action and who just waits. What's the biggest mistake? Waiting too long. What's the second biggest? Thinking these strategies are just for other people. Start today, even with a small step, because the shortcut to wealth is just starting and taking appropriate action. Hit that like button if this opened your eyes, and subscribe for more money secrets they don't teach you in school.